Today is October 1st, the start of your winter arc. Think of this as a new season in your life, a chance to reset, grow stronger, and prepare for the year ahead. Winter arc is not about waiting for change. It's about building yourself while others sleep. If you follow these 7 rules by the end of this arc, you won't recognize the person you've become. Rule 1. Wake up early. Beat the cold. Beat your laziness. Solution. Start with just 30 minutes earlier than usual. Rule 2. Move your body. Don't let the cold freeze your discipline. Solution. Daily workout, or even a simple 20-minute walk. Rule 3. Cold discipline. Winter tempts you to stay in bed. Solution. Train your mind with small challenges like cold showers or fasting. Rule 4. Study and skill. Winter arc is for sharpening your sword. Solution. Dedicate 2 focused hours daily to study or learn a skill. Rule 5. Digital detox. Stop wasting hours scrolling. Solution. Fix strict screen limits and use that time to grow. Rule 6. Journal and reflect. Winter is silence. Use it for clarity. Solution. Write 5 lines every night about what you did right and what you can fix. Rule 7. Build consistency. The true victory is not intensity, it's routine. Solution. Stick to your daily rules, even if it's just 1% progress. This winter arc from October 1st is not about perfection. It's about transformation. If you follow these 7 rules, by the time spring comes, you'll emerge sharper, stronger, and unstoppable. Your future self is waiting. Don't let him down.